All right, today I'm going to show you how to wash clothes in a Samsung washing machine using the quick wash option. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my detergent to the washing machine. Right here, I have Tide Clear perfume-free washing pods. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the washing machine first and foremost. Next, I'm going to add the towels. These are, I have new towels, and I don't need to do a heavy wash with them because they're new. I just need to make sure that they're just a little bit more than rinsed. You know, the first time use, you don't know what went on in the store, whatnot. They're not heavily soiled or anything like that. I just want to wash them slightly with them. So I'm going to do the quick wash. I added the pot in there. I'm going to go ahead and shut this, and then I'm going to power on the Samsung. All right, just powered on just like that. And then I'm going to go over here to the dial, and I'm going to switch the dial to quick wash. All right, and then it gives selections over here. I can do things such as extra rinse. I'm going to do that. Extra spin, that's not an option. Spin only, I can, but I'm not going to do that. You turn that off. Cancel it. In order, because I can't cancel that, change it up like that. There we go, extra rinse. I'm gonna do warm water, okay? And then I am gonna go to spin. I'm gonna keep that to heavy or high. The warm water temperature, warm, soil level, light. All right, and now I am going to start. And I'm gonna go start it by coming over here. It's gonna take 36 minutes. It'll take only 26 without the extra rinse, but I want the extra rinse to make sure that they're completely rinsed. I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to start, and that's how you do the quick wash. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.